Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in the last video, we learned how to create a user in Microsoft Entra ID. Now in this video, I will show you how to assign roles to user like global admin, reader or contributor. Okay, so basically roles define what a user can do, whether they have full access or just read only access or permission. Okay, so let's start now. Here you can see I have logged in to portal.azure.com. Okay, in same way you have to log in using your credential to your to portal.azure.com. And once you will log in, you have to click on portal menu. Portal menu is here. You can see portal menu and then Microsoft Intra ID. Then if you see like this, okay, manage. If it is not already expanded like this, okay, you need to expand by click here, go to users, click on users. In the last video we have created this user Ramesh Kumar. Okay, so if you have to assign a role to any user or uh, uh, any specific user, you can say, so you have to select that user. Okay, so let's assign role to this user Ramesh Kumar. Click on this. Once you will click, then here you will see assigned roles. Click on that, assigned roles. Once you will click here to assign roles, you will be able to see how many roles are assigned to the user. Okay, so for now you can see here there is no any roles assigned to this user, no directory roles assigned. Okay, let's click on add assignments. Okay, here you can see we have many roles. If we can scroll down, you can see we have a lot of roles here. Active Directory reader, writer, domain name administrator, dragon administrator, dynamic 365 administrator, edge administrator, intra backup administrator. Okay, so in same way we have a lot of uh, you know roles in Azure in Entra ID. You can see here global reader, global administrator. So suppose if you have to assign this role, global administrator role to this user, so either you can select here and click to add, or if you don't want to scroll down and see this, you can find here also. You can just enter here global. Okay, you can see I have just entered here GLO and it is showing all roles here with the name of global. Okay, global administrator, global reader, secure access administrator, and access log reader. Okay, so let's assign this user to global administrator role. You can see this role. Okay, if any user who have this role, okay, can manage all aspects of Microsoft Intra ID and Microsoft services that use Microsoft Intra identities. Okay, so this is like a top level of role. Okay, so you can assign to this. If you want just assign any specific permission or role like global reader only or any other role, you can just clear this filter. Okay, and then scroll down here and you can assign any roles which you want to assign. Okay, so for now let's assign to this user to this role, global administrator role. Let's click on add. You can see here successfully added assignment. Still it is not showing here, but let's refresh from here. See, now global administrator role has been assigned to this user. Okay, in same way, you can assign multiple roles to user in Microsoft Intra ID. If you have to assign any other role, you can again click to add administrator, like let's say this agent ID administrator, select, click to add. Okay, and then again refresh. You can see agent ID administrator. So in same way, you can assign multiple roles to any user, to any Entra ID users. Okay, so I hope now you can easily assign role to any user. In this video, okay, I try to show you each and everything step by step. So I hope this video will be helpful for